Welcome back, my dear watchers, to my channel Science Facts of the World. And today I am back with a new interesting topic regarding the science world, which is the wormholes. Yeah, you might have heard about it in the movie Interstellar, but here I am here to explain you with new concepts of the wormhole and to magnify to magnify your thoughts regarding it. So, we are diving headfirst into the fascinating world of the wormholes. Wormholes, often a staple in science fiction, are some of the most intriguing, mysterious objects in the cosmos. But it's theoretical. We haven't found it in any physical form or any chemical form in which scientists could prove it. In this 7-minute to 10-minute journey, we will explore the concept of wormholes, their potential existence, and the mind-blowing possibilities they offer for space and time travel. Definition of wormholes. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a wormhole? In essence, a wormhole is a hypothetical tunnel-like structure that connects two separate points in space-time. Think of it as a shortcut through the vast fabric of the universe. It means you can move through time to space to any kind of thing in the cosmos. Means in the space galaxies. You can travel from one galaxy to another. For example, in the Interstellar movie, from the Earth, they went to the planet near the black hole. These theoretical passages could potentially link distant galaxies or even different time periods, as I mentioned it before. So, how did these wormholes came into existence? That's a tricky question. Let's find out. The famous scientist himself, the Einstein-Rosen Bridge. One of the earliest mentions of the wormhole came from the mind of Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen in 1935. They proposed what's known as the Einstein-Rosen Bridge, a mathematical solution to the equations of general relativity, and that suggested the existence of these tunnel-like structures. However, this was purely a theoretical at the time and still remains to this day. But still, since black holes theory was proven right, it might be assured that wormholes are also true, but we can't be assured. So, as I mentioned before, like black holes, wormholes have two different categories. One is traversable and second is non-traversable. Traversable wormholes are those that in theory could be used for space and time travel. Sounds fascinating, I know. While they are exciting to the contemplate, we have no experimental evidence that they could actually exist. But non-traversable wormholes, on the other hand, are more stable and don't allow for the travel. They often close too quickly, are too small, or suffer from other limitations. So basically, one from you can pass through, second from you can't pass through. So what is exotic matter? To keep a traversable wormhole stable and prevent it from collapsing, it's believed that something called exotic matter would be necessary. Exotic matter possesses negative energy which theoretically I repeat, could counteract the gravitational forces trying to pinch the wormhole shut. But as of the last update in 2020 to 2021, exotic matter remains a hypothetical concept that has not been observed or created, which means it's just like the dark energy, dark matter. Although it's proven that dark energy and dark matter is 90% of the universe, but exotic matter hasn't been found or proved from theories of it. So the main question that arises from this topic is, has been any scientific discoveries? The question's answer would be found very soon. So what does science have to say about the existence of wormholes? The question is, the search for the wormholes is an active area of research in theoretical physics, chemistry. Scientists use various models and equations, such as those in general relativity, to explore their potential existence. Some physicists even believe that tiny microscopic wormholes could exist on the quantum level, which is an whole another field in the scientific realm. These, however, would be too small for anything substantial to pass through, or else they could be created by lab. Yeah, we know that technology is being advanced nowadays, and it would be advancing to type 7 generation or civilization, but still we haven't created or found any black hole from the theories itself. Now we will learn about its application and possibilities. Wormholes have captured the imagination of writers, filmmakers, scientists, and many other people. Imagine the possibilities they offer. They could potentially serve as a shortcut for interstellar travel, as I told you in the starting, the interstellar movie, allowing us to reach distant galaxies in fraction of time it would take us using conventional means. They might even open the door to time travel, taking us to the past or the future. It's interesting, but after all, it's only theoretical. Challenges and controversies. Every topic in the scientific realm or in sports or politics, every topic has been the part of controversies. So, what's the controversy about these wormholes? The wormholes have played a significant role in numerous challenges and controversies. Theoretical models often involve use of negative energy, black matter, or dark energy or exotic matter, which, as I mentioned earlier, remain purely theoretical concepts, haven't proved by any scientist yet, only been proposed theories like on the quantum realm it could exist, but we are not sure that it exists. Additionally, the potential dangers of traveling through a wormhole, such as radiation, more galaxies, not have any specific compass or time for the space-time galaxy, is a risk emerging in an unknown hostile environment could be fatal, as you don't know what's belong in the space. So, what's the conclusion of the video? In the conclusion, wormholes are one of the most mind-blogging, fascinating things in the scientific realm, which have the potential to solve many issues in the futuristic world. It can make us multi-galaxy species if aliens don't exist, or while the theoretical model suggests that their existence, we have yet to find out. In any meaningful way, the concept of wormholes raises countless questions about the nature of space-time and the potential for the space and time travel. Is this even true? Thus, the wormhole allows us to travel through any kind of time or galaxies. It's just been a question since the 1935 when the Einstein and Rosen formed the Einstein-Rosen Bridge, which has been the most, most popular topic in the general relativity and the special relativity of Einstein and in the scientific world. So, perhaps, if we unlock the secrets of the cosmic shortcuts, opening up new frontiers of exploration and discovery, I would let you know, cause I am a very curious person. Thank you for joining here for the scientific realm of today. Hope you enjoyed the video about the wormholes, and hope you leave us a subscribe and like our video. Thank you.